Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be using some of my Semilac polishes. We've got Violet Cream and Little Rosie to create today's set. I also have this beautiful heart glitter. I absolutely love hearts, so this one is so pretty to me. I love it. I've got two different heart glitters. I've got this one which is like a little mixture between pinks, blues and whites, and I've got like a proper just pink one, but that one I just kind of really called my name today. We will be doing some stamping. We've got some Moyou London Care Bear stamping plate and some Moyou London stamping polish, which is so funny because I actually have quite a lot of their polishes now. I keep buying more and more and I don't really pick them up, so quite nice that I actually end up getting to use one of them anyways, at least today. So today's video we will be creating a Care Bear kind of inspired nail design. So since I had that plate, I was eyeing it down for a little while. I felt like it was so cute, and so I thought, why not create today's set? I'm not quite sure if it's on theme. I don't know if I'm not uploading it in the wrong time of the year but it doesn't matter as long as, you know, you guys like it. That's all that matters to me. I'm not so keen on dark colors, so you are going to probably find a mix and match on my channel at the moment. A bit of fall colors and a bit of light bright colors probably. Or at least light pale colours rather than like super neon. I probably won't be picking up super neons, I don't think, although you never know with me. And then I'm literally dying for the Christmas nail designs. I've already started creating different designs. I'm so excited to show you guys what I've done with sorts of different inspirations, and yeah, I just feel so inspired. So I'm super excited for the Christmas nails to start coming out, and it's still going to be a little while. I presume they'll probably start coming out around the beginning of November, so we'll finish up October with, you know, October Halloweeny nails, and then the amazing Christmassy nails are going to start. It's my most favorite, or at least second favorite season. I love Valentine's and Christmas. Those two are my all-time favorites. So back to the video. I just talked way too much. So we've got 4 of that pale purple and we've got 2 of that gorgeous little pink, and now it's time to stamp away. So we are going to do 2 full cover nail stamping designs. So and those are going to be the both of those pink ones. So as you can see, obviously the nail design kind of stamping image is way too small. So I had to kind of get rid of a specific area to kind of make it work. So this is the bit where you're really going to have to use your brain and really kind of figure out which bit to remove to make it work. So it's one of those things that I probably won't be able to help you figure out without actually seeing the image and kind of telling you what you need to remove. So if you've got the exact same plate as me, then obviously this will be incredibly helpful for you to kind of put it together in case you are also working on super long stiletto nails. But of course, if you're a nail tech, the likelihood of you working on super long nails like this is probably quite small, so the image itself on the plate is probably going to work just fine for you doing just normal nail designs for your clients. So I'm just taking it to the next level really over here with these long nails. So I decided to use that nail design on the plate in particular because I really like those little like envelopes and hearts and bows and everything that was going on there. I just thought it was really pretty, so I wanted that design. And then of course, to keep it on theme with the Care Bear idea today, we've got a Care Bear little face design too. So it's going to be a full nail with Care Bears, just Care Bear faces. So yeah, I can't remember what the polish was called itself, but it's a really nice purple. You don't have to use Moyou London stamping polishes itself. I mostly actually use, when it comes to white and black, I mostly use Born Pretty. They're just super affordable and they work like a little charm, so I always get them. And as you can see here as well, you can get rid of a few, pretend like you're about to place it down, have a look, did you get rid of the right ones, do you need to get rid of more? It's kind of like a try and error. It can be quite time consuming, but in my opinion, super worth it. There's no way I would be ever able to do designs like this in my life unless I would literally be practicing every single day for the rest of my life to be doing designs like this and making that perfect. So really like stamping, as you can all probably see, and I'm so sorry if you guys are not into stamping, but I hope through watching me you might get into it because it's amazing. I'm so in love, so in love. So yeah, of course, there we go. And as you can see, you can't even see where the designs was kind of joined together, which is great. However, if there is a line, I'll show you guys later on in today's video what to do to fix that up, because basically that's kind of what we're going to do, almost pretending that you could see that line, and we're going to cover it up, and you can do it in a way that you can't even tell that you're covering anything up. So Before we do that though, we are going to start working on our glitter. So I'm going to use base coat as our, you know, just our sticky layer for the glitter to stick onto. We're going to pop it on the 2 purple nails, and then using a nail art brush, I'm just gonna scoop up some of that glitter and just start placing it around the nail. You don't want too much, you want just enough, if that makes any sense. So you don't want the nail to be literally dripping and being caked up with glitter. You kind of want to methodically, is that even the word, to just place it around. I was kind of mainly focusing on the hearts, placing them where I want them, and then around the hearts I was picking up the finer glitter and just kind of sprinkling it around and just making it sparkly, basically. And finally, also today we are using a glitter top coat, if you could believe it. I've been on a massive matte top coat train with this fall season that's happening right now, with the Christmas nails as well, you know, with the sweater looks and everything is using matte top coat. So I haven't been using a glossy top coat in a little while, so it's going to be a quite nice little change for you guys to see today's video, and it actually having a glossy top coat. So yeah, as you can see here also, I thought it would be quite easier to sprinkle some of that glitter onto my little cap, which actually was, when it comes to kind of picking up the smaller glitters and not necessarily the hearts, because I only, as you can see, I only wanted a little amount, and the rest of it I wanted that fine glitter. So we're going to do and finish up this one. We are also going to do the exact same thing for the other nail. I can't remember if I end up showing you guys in the video, but I think I do end up doing that off camera. And then once you're happy with your glitter placement, you can pop it into the lamp. The base coat is going to cure and stick the glitter right in place. So here we are, we've got the 2 nails. At the moment they look crazy, but trust me, later on they're gonna look a little bit better. So apparently I decided to do some crystal placements now. So this is the bit that I was talking about, that just in case the 2 images that you place down, you can see the difference where, you know, you've kind of joined up the images. What you can do is literally just place crystals right in the line where the 2 images meet. So, and you can literally not tell, really. You couldn't at all tell, especially as we're going to repeat this exact crystal placement on the other stamping nail that we've got going on in the background. So it literally looks like it was supposed to be. Like it was literally meant to be over here. So on this Care Bear nail, we're going to do a little mixture between just some clear crystals and some beautiful pink crystals, and we're going to kind of mix and match them, 1 pink, 1 silver, and so on. And we're going to do in a slanted way, so we're going to start off with kind of quite high on the right, and then slowly start making the line go a little bit down to the left, if that even makes any sense. Sometimes I lack words and just, I don't know, descriptive words to explain what I'm doing. But what we're going to do on the other stamping nail, we're going to flip it around. So rather than doing it top left, bottom right, we're going to flip it, and the crystals are going to be top right to the bottom left. So you've seen just a second, and here it is. So this is what it's looking like, and as you can see, it literally looks like it was supposed to be. You'd never even know that I managed to mess up the nail, and I'm trying to cover something up. So yeah, so whilst that's kind of chilling in the background, we're going to work on our other nail that's going to have a bunch of crystals. So I had these cute little bears that I thought would work perfectly. Of course, this bear does not look anywhere near like a Care Bear, but it fitted with the theme, so we're gonna go with it. I've had these for a long time and I have not used them, so you know, wherever I get a chance, I really want to fit them in. So for the crystal placement on this one, super easy. I think I super fast forward this bit. We're going to place crystals top right corner, bottom left corner, kind of creating this vibe where the crystals are almost kind of going to be almost kind of gives this vibe of a hugging the bear kind of thing, or maybe not, I'm not too sure. But yeah, we're also going to mix and match that with the pink and the clear crystals. I don't believe, yeah, we are not using AB crystals, not AB, sorry. What am I even on about today? We are not using caviar beads, which is actually something new for me. I always use caviar beads. So today we are not. If you really wanted to, then absolutely go ahead. They will add a lot of really nice detailing to the crystal placement. I'll probably even make it a bit more, I don't know, maybe I always find it a bit more luxurious when you always add the caviar beads. It really adds that extra little touch. So if you really wanted to, go ahead. But I felt like there was a lot going on in today's set, so I kind of wanted to lay low with the crystals as much as, like, even though I'm not. I just felt like there was a bit too much going on when it comes to that kind of thing. So I decided not to play about with caviar beads, although I can definitely guarantee you I had the caviar beads chilling in the background somewhere waiting to be used, but lastminute.com, I decided not to use them. Especially here, there, where I'm trying to place that crystal. I would have loved to put some caviar beads there, but, you know, you guys do what you feel is best. So I'll probably let you guys just chill, finish up watching me place those crystals, and I'll come back to you guys once this crystal placement is all nice and done. So I'm just finishing up the crystal placement. I'm going to pop it into the lamp so it cures. Once it's cured, we can start applying our top coat. You could probably get away with applying it before, but I don't want the crystals moving about and getting all messed up. So I want them to stay right in place where I want them. So they've been cured now, and it's time to apply our glossy top coat. I cannot believe I am finally looking at a set right now that is glossy top coat. It's been a little while, I know, and I'm probably just as happy as all of you are to see a glossy top coat. It's been a little while. So the crystals that I use for video purposes, I don't do clients. This is just a little hobby of mine. I use the AliExpress quality crystals. So they're not real Swarovskis or Preciosas. They're the AliExpress quality, I guess. They're super affordable, and I feel like they're super sparkly too, and they work just great for my, you know, videos and kind of letting you guys know, well, yeah, it just works for what I do at the moment. So because of that, especially if you are using them as well, try and avoid as much as possible applying some top coat on those nails, because of course not as sparkly as a Swarovski as it is, let alone when you apply a top coat, you're going to kind of dim them down even more. I can't even talk today, so just try and avoid as much as possible. Of course, always avoid as much as possible, but yeah, especially when they're already not as sparkly as you want them to be. So going around the bear and the crystals was a little bit of a hassle, but we made it work, and then once I'm happy, I will pop those bad boys into the lamp. I absolutely love how they came out. I love them so much, and I know it's probably not the time for those, probably a little bit Valentine's-y kind of nails, but oh, I love these. I love these. So here are the final results, and as you can see, even though the crystals are not real, they're very sparkly as well, and I love this set so much. So I hope you guys liked it too. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll make sure to have everything I used, or as much of it as possible, linked in the description below, especially the polishes. I always manage to find those. The crystals and the glitter always seems to kind of run away and hide sometimes. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.